Welcome you back on this Saturday evening, and we know in Central Florida people are making those preparations for Tropical Storm Debbie. We're watching it all across our area.
Yeah, and I think, we've been talking all day really about one of the important things to remember, Tony, we can't emphasize this enough, is that cone. No matter what you see out there, we're all going to feel impacts from this storm.
I couldn't have said it any better. Yes, the cone has shifted, and yes, the worst of the winds are going to be up there in the Panhandle, but most importantly now, all of us in varying degrees will have impacts from this storm. The farther south and east you go over towards Brevard County, you are going to have some impacts there as well. They're just not going to be as dramatic per se as what's going to be happening up there just east of the Big Bend. There's the latest cone from the National Hurricane Center. The one thing you're going to notice now is that hurricane icon. Again, the model's very good agreement on the left edge now of that 5 o'clock cone, so they haven't adjusted that. The thinking is that it may bend back towards the north and the east, and they're kind of encompassing more of northern Florida with the center point there. Now, I do want to show you the latest tropical advisories. We have inland tropical storm warnings now only for Sumter County. Marion County hasn't issued anything yet from Jacksonville, I should say, hasn't issued anything yet from Marion County. So we're still waiting to see if they'll pull the trigger on that tonight as the storm does continue to advance northward. Look at all these tropical storm watches now. Sumter, Lake, down south of our viewing area. We've got a lot of yellow. That means we could expect to see and feel tropical storm force gust over the next 36 hours. There's the latest track. There's our storm now coming off the northwest tip there of Havana. You can see the visible satellite here showing a lot of banding now off towards the south of us. There's the core. You got a little bit deeper convection there. That's why the Hurricane Center went ahead and upgraded this particular feature. And they've also noticed the winds here. The Keys, 35, 45 miles an hour. And we've had some bands down to the south. One more time now as this storm continues to pull up to the north. First big squalls and bands coming in as we get into Sunday afternoon. We're going to continue to monitor them. If we start seeing warnings down south, Marquise, we're going to have an active Sunday on into Monday.
It is going to be a very wild finish to the weekend, so we're going to keep you up to date here on WESH 2. And this is a look county by county. Sumter, we're going to start with you as you're already under that tropical storm watch. We do have that issued, and we also see the strongest gusts are going to be between 30 to 40 mile per hour speeds. Rainfall 4 to 6 inches out towards Lake County. Similar chances for rain. You have a tropical storm watch in effect too. Excuse me, Sumter, you have the warning in effect. It looks like Lake, you do have the watch in effect right now. Also, as we move up towards Berrien County, no watches or warnings, but we are anticipating some very heavy rainfall, 4 to 6 inches. And here in Orange County, we can see rain between 3 and 6 inches, isolated amounts possible that you guys could have 7 total inches of precipitation. And we'll wrap it up with Flagler. This is going to be the last county to be affected by Debbie, in which we can see 4 to 6 inches. But the timing of events, it's going to span all the way into Monday, overnight, and possibly Tuesday. You still got some strong gusty winds heading your way. So the flood threat is going to be greatest tomorrow and into Monday. It's very likely that we'll have the chance for flooding across our north and westernmost counties. We can see anywhere between 4 and 6+ inches of total precipitation accumulation. So flooding's major on your impact list. So is rough surf out towards the west, and we're watching out for tornadoes and tropical storm force wind. Over the next 12 hours, temperatures should drop into the upper 70s or quiet overnight. So use this time wisely to get prepared. But the worst of the storm, that is taking place tomorrow with the impacts beginning. And then by Monday nights, we'll see this storm start to lift away. We're also watching out for that tornado threat. It's going to be quite high here across central Florida. Wind comparison does show our models now starting to agree more and more between the Euro and the GFS as we are anticipating landfall soon to come, and we'll have those tropical storm force winds following. Here's a look at what we're expecting over the next 7 days, tracking the tropics today and tomorrow, and then weather starts to get much better heading into the middle of the work week. Stay with us though. We'll be right back here on WESH 2 News coming up after the break.